We are here at a diffuse light storage, especially for potatoes. It's a new way of storing potatoes, rather different from what they did traditionally. And here is the farmer who has also made this innovative storage of potatoes. So maybe I'd like to thank him for giving us this interview. Maybe he could introduce himself, his name, and maybe then tell something about how he came to use this technology.
ከዛ በኋላ ይሄንን ድንችና ይሄን የድንች ቴክኖሎጂ እንዴት ልትቀበልና ልታገኝ ይችላል?
ስሜ የቆየ ምሩ ይባላለሁ። ያው አሁን ይሄንን ልናገኘው የቻልነው የዛሬ 2 አመት ነው። ያው ከነሱ ለምርምር ብለው አመጡት። ከዚያ በኋላ ከሰባቱ ዝርያ ይሄኛውን ድንች አይነት መርጠነዋል። ያው አሁን በሚቀጥለው አመት ዘርተን ደግሞ ያው ለሚቀጥለው ያቀርብነው ይሄ ነው።
He said that my name is የቆየ እምሩ. I got this technology before 2 years from Cascape. At that moment there were 7 different varieties including the local Czech, and after we evaluated those varieties at field we have selected this Belleta variety, but now, in the last year we multiplied the seed and we conserved the seed for the next or the coming season to plant or to grow, he said.
And how did he store the potatoes before he used this technology?
ይሄንን ዴሌስ ከመገንባት በፊት ምን ነበር የምትጠቀመው ዘሩን ለማቆየት?
ከዚህ ከመሬት በመዘርገፍ
We simply drop on the floor inside our house, he said.
Yeah. And what was the trigger for him? What was the way he thought, I'm going to use this new technology? What convinced him to change this traditional method?
ምንድነው አሁን ወደዚህ እንድትቀየር ያደረገ ምንድነው? ከዛ ድሮ ከነበረበት ወደዚህ እንድትቀየር ያደረገና ሙሉ እምነት እንዲኖር ያደረገው ምንድነው?
በውጤቱና ያው በዚህ ባያያዙ በድንቹም በውጤቱ ከፍተኛ በሆነ ነው።
As compared to the local production before this intervention came to us, there is a big difference between the productivity of the local variety and this new introduced variety. So I'm really interested with the yield. Observing that yield, I decided just to come to this technology or DLS.
So he has a big profit of doing it this way?
ትርፋማ ሆናለሁ ብለህ ታስባለህ? ይሄን በዚህ መልኩ ነው መሰለኝ።
በዚህ
Yes.
Yes.
So I suppose that all the other farmers around here will also use this technology. Am I right?
ሌሎች አርሶ አደሮች እንዳንተ ይሄን ቴክኖሎጂ ይቀበላሉ ብለህ ታስባለህ?
አዎ
Yes,
በጣም
they will adopt.
So everybody?
Yeah, everybody, he said.
And there's also some people changed their way of... They didn't grow potatoes before and started also growing potatoes now?
አሁን ድንችን ማምረት ጀምረዋል ወይ አርሶ አደሮች እናንተን እያዩ?
አዎ
they already started produce potato.
Yeah. And what are the potatoes used for? They use it for home consumption or is it for selling on the market? So what's
ነው ድንችን የምትጠቀሙበት?
ለምግብነት ያው በስልጠናው ላይ ተሰጥቷል። ለዳቦም ይሆናል ያው ካዘጋጁት ለዳቦ ለቅንጨም ይሆናል ለሾርባም ይሆናል። ግን አብዛኛው የምንጠቀምበት ለወጥ ቀቅሎ ለመብላት በቃ በዚህ ለገበያም ዋናውማ ለገበያ ነው።
He said mainly we use it for market, but it is also a good food for household. We use this in potato in different recipes. Nowadays we've mainly boiled the potato simply, putting the potato in the hot water, and putting some salt on it. This is the way that we are feeding our household, he said. But mainly we need it for market.
Yeah. And does he get a good price on the market for the potatoes?
Yeah, it has a good price.
Yeah. And can you tell what the potatoes which are here? What is this for selling on the market, or is this for what's the purpose for these potatoes we see here?
ይሄንን እዚህ ያስቀመጥከው ምን ለማድረግ ነው? ለገበያ ልታቀርብ ነው? ለዘር ነው እንዴ?
ለዘር
I simply preserve this for seed for the coming season.
Okay. I see small ones, I see big ones. Which are the best ones for the using as seed?
ለዘርነት ይሄ ትልቅና ትንሽ ነው። ለዘር የሚሆነው ትልቁ ነው ትንሹ ነው?
ትንሹ ነው።
The smaller size is suitable for seed.
But you will also plant the big ones?
ትልቁንም ትዘሩታላችሁ?
አዎ ይሆናል።
Yes.
Okay.
We will use it.
One last question. His household, how many people are in the household and who are doing the work in the field?
ቤተሰብ ስንት ቤተሰብ አለ? እርሻህ ላይ ምን ስራዎችን ታከናውናለህ?
6 ቤተሰብ አለ።
I have 6 household members.
6
Yeah.
ልጆች?
6 ልጆች
And it's-
አባወራዎች እና እኔ 8
Totally 8.
Mhm.
He has 6 children.
Okay.
ስንት ማለት አለ? ምን ትሰራለህ?
8 ማለት 9 ቃዳ መሬት አለ።
9 ቃዳ በእነሱ ሁለት አካባቢ 2 ነጥብ 1.2
And who will be planting the potatoes? Is it he and his wife or his children who will be?
ማን ነው ድንቹን የሚዘራውና የሚንከባከበው?
አይ እኔ
አንተ
ነኝ።
ነህ? ሚስትህ?
እኔ ነኝ።
ልጆችህ
ልጆችም
ይሰራሉ?
ሁሎችም ይሰራሉ።
የሚለያይበት ጊዜ አለ?
የለም።
Yeah, he said that totally I have 2.125 hectare of land in local measurement 9 kada.
Kada.
9 kada. In potato, everybody is responsible for potato growing, but especially I am the one who took the lead for potato production. But the women has also participated on it, since it is a crop which is grown near to the homestead. Women has also their own share on the work.
Yeah. Thank you very much, and I hope that these potatoes we see will give a good harvest next season.
በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ከዚህ ድንች የተሻለ ምርት ታገኛለን ብለን እንጠብቃለን። ስለዚህ በቆሎ ትቼ ይሄን አመርታለሁ ነው አይደል? ስለሚያዋጣ. He said that okay, I would also like to thank you. In the future I have a plan just to substitute the maize production with potato, since it has higher profit than growing maize. So I will reduce the amount of land that I will allocate for maize.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
አመሰግናለሁ።